This week is going to be really crazy for me. Play.
Mommy!
Hello guys, happy Tuesday! Good morning. It's 7:39, well 7:40 right now in the morning. Ay ako. This week is going to be really crazy for me. Because sa work ko, well, alam niyo naman that I only teach sa gabi, diba? Kaso may nagbakasyon, so kailangan nating tulungan at i-cover yung umaga at yung hapon na klase. Tapos may gabi pa tayo. So straight tayo itong linggong ito. Ay, ako. Kaya naka-online na ako. Kung makikita nyo. Yung computer ko, naka-raise yung mesa. Inangat kong ganyan. Para mabuhat ko si Mia. Kasi umiiyak si Mia, nagising. May nang problema ko sa batang to. Ang ano niya, yung mabilis siya magising pag di niya ako katabi. So, yeah. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog, guys. Ang tagal. Parang last vlog ko ata, October or first week of November. Yan, na-busy. Na-busy ang lola nyo. Well, hindi naman to busy ako dahil sa dollhouse. Nag-enjoy ako masyado. Ayan siya yung dalawang project ko na wino-work on. Happy ako ngayon dyan lately. Si Sebi tulog pa. Like I said, ako online ako ng maaga ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to gagawin, pero iraraos ko to. Well, what's the good thing about this is alam naman nila na walang video. Kaya hindi ako naka-BS or anything. Kumbaga lang, chat, message, email, ganun lang. So, yeah, hindi ko kailangang mag-ayos ngayong umaga. Mag-aayos ako mamayang gabi pa sa klase ko. Sa totoo lang, alam nyo, mas masarap na magkatrabaho ko doon sa campus mismo, doon ako magtuturo. Kaysa yung ganito na nasa bahay. Kasi, akala kasi nila masarap yung ganito. Kasi pag nasa bahay ka, lahat nangyayari. Plus may dalawa kang toddler, just me. But I'm not complaining. I am, very grateful pa rin ako. Alam mo, kasi inalaw nila ako. Kasi wala naman akong choice sa ngayon. Ayaw naman namin ni John na ilagay sa daycare yung mga bata. Ayaw talaga namin. Kahit sabi mo may pambayad pa, ayaw namin. Lalo ko, ayoko talaga. As much as possible, yung first few years nila habang maliliit pa, gusto ko talaga ako hands-on. Kaya kahit nahihirapan ako, push lang. Kasi the next thing you know, pag nag-start na silang mag-school, wala na rin silang oras sa akin. Diba? Kaya hanggat kaya ko itong gawin, pipilit ko to. Kahit matanda na tayo. Ay, naku. There's a good reason kung bakit nag-aanak yung ibang mga 20s. I think that's a good age. Late 20s, early 30s. Those are good age to have kids. Pero pag ganito, late 30s na, kaloka. It's a bad idea. I think siguro kasi nga dahil kakaedad ka na, papush to 40 ka na. Alam mo yun? Yung sakit ng katawan, it's so real. Tapos at the same time, yung patience mo, maikli na, diba? Pero syempre, kaya natin yan. Diba? You wanna say good morning to the guys? Mia? Mia, do you wanna say good morning to the guys? No. Okay, sorry naman, anak. So, ayaw daw niya. She's not having it today. So today, hindi ko rin kailangan magluto. Kasi yesterday, last night nung umuwi si John galing work, may dala siyang pansit. Ang dami. So, yung isa sa mga co-worker niya nagdala ng pansit sa office. Sobrang dami. So, inuwi niya yung iba kasi sayang nga naman. So, ang dami. So, yun ay papakain ko na lang muna sa mga bata. But anyway, again, good morning. I'm so glad to be back. Na-miss ko kayo. Yung mga post ko, medyo late na yan. I'm sure yung mga, yung huling kakapost ko lang last night, ano pa yun? October. October vlog ko pa yan. Yan. Pero itong December, I will try na maging updated sa mga videos ko. Lalo pa, Christmas. Well, meron pa akong idea na mag-vlogmas ako. Kaso sa mga pangyayari ngayon, I don't think kaya ko. Lalo ngayon na straight yung mga classes ko. Mama here! I'm here in the office. I'm here, Sebi.
Come on, Ronnie. Watch it, channel. Come on, Ronnie.
I'm sorry, anak. I can't watch right now.
Are you? Watch it, channel.
Aww.
Ronnie, watch it, channel.
You want Mama to watch Chain Channel with you?
No.
Okay, can I just finish this? Is that okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama.
Yeah, 1 second.
Mama.
Okay. Just 1 second, Sebi. I just need to reply to this email. You should.
No.
Oh, what happened? Anak, wait lang, please.
Uh-oh.
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 Oh?
Uh-oh.
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 Oh my goodness.
Mama, okay.
Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. There you go. You're welcome, Nak. November. Anak, wait lang po. Mama's almost done with this one. Okay. What happened to your hair? I'm gonna go to Kuya. What, Sebi? Okay. That's not how you hold the guitar. Hold it like this. And then you play. Like this. This one here. Okay, be careful with my uke, okay? Don't break it, huh? Okay, you guys can play in the other room. Let's go. So it's now good morning again. 9:13. Ay, magulo na siya kaagad. Oh my gosh. Isang linggo to, guys. Okay lang. Kasi kahapon naman holiday Monday, so wala akong work. Nagpahinga lang ako. So, 4 days. 4 days. Kaya mo to. Oh, are you gonna close my door?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
I don't.
You wanna go down na?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go down. Alright, you go with Kuya first. Ito na sinasabi ko. Topak-topak na. You want Carrie? Come na. Let's fix your hair. Let's tie it. No, no tying hair. What do you mean it's not working? What are you doing? A what? Oh, Hi. Okay, guys. We're hanging by a thread. Hanging by a thread. Okay. Yung start lang naman ng class yung medyo rocky kasi ang dami nagtatanong. Ba't ngayon parang medyo okay na? Ayan, pwede ko na siguro ibaba yung mga bata in a bit. Para mapakain sila. Yes, anak. What's stuck? Oh no, come here, let's fix it. Oh, it got stuck all together like this. Put one here.
Stop.
Here pa, oh. Come here.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.
It's stuck. Take off the ears first so that it can go in. Hi! So, yung mga bata nagbe-breakfast. Ayaw na ni Sebi. So, ito yung leftover eggs niya. Scrambled eggs. Tsaka bread. So, ako na lang kakain. Sayang. Kain po tayo. Ah, naman nagme-message. You're welcome. Message to.
Mommy.
Hi guys, a little update. It's now 11:02. Magpe-prepare na ako ng lunch. Although sabi ko kanina hindi ako magluluto. Ayaw kasi ni Sebi ng pansit lang. Sabi niya gusto rin daw niya ng sausage. So magluluto tayo ng sausage kasabay ng pansit. So sila magpapansit at saka sausage. Ako magso-sausage din at saka rice. You want to help me cook this?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put it on the air fryer. Can you do that for me? You put it on the air fryer. Here's the sausage that you requested. See? Sausage. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, ito yung isa sa mga sausage na favorite din ni Sebi. Gustong gusto niya to. I-air fry ko lang naman. Touch Mama's computer, please. That's Mama's work. Uh-oh, don't touch, please. Mama's work. So, baka mag-air fry ako ng mga... Kasi ang laki nito, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang laki. Siguro kahit mga 3. Kasi gusto ni Sebi to. Pinapapak nga niya to, eh. Yung mga anak ko, lalo si Sebi, Sebi talaga, hindi siya mahilig mag-rice.
Mommy.
I told you don't touch, right?
Okay. It's on fire.
Okay, so ito na yung sausage. Ang ginagawa ko dito, nilalagyan ko lang ng slit ng kutsilyo. Ganyan. Na konti. Yan, tapos ini-air fry ko na. Tapos yung pansit, magma-microwave lang ako. So si Sebi, alam ko gutom na yan. Yan ang pagkain. So yung morning class ko, yun, it's from 8 to 12. Yung afternoon, yung susunod ko is 12:30. 12:30 to 4:30 yata yung susunod. Tapos yung gabi ko, 5:30 ang start. But yes. Okay, so air fry ko lang to. Hi, it's now 11:30. Kain tayo. So brown rice and sausage yung sa mga bata. Sa kanila sausage tsaka pansit. Nagsistart na sila kumain. Sasamahan ko lang muna.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, good evening. It's now 6:52 ng gabi. Sorry, di ko na kayo na-update. Kasi ang dami kong ginawa talaga kanina. Like I said, morning pa lang, may klase na ako. Kasi yung umaga, alas 8 yun hanggang 12. Tapos may 30-minute break ka lang. Sabay sumunod na klase, 12:30 hanggang 4:30. Break ulit, tapos 5:30 to 9:30 ng gabi. So, straight ako tong kanina, the whole day, and yung mga bata, syempre, iniintindi ko din. So, hindi ko na kayo na-update. But anyway, actually, muntikan ko na nga makalimutan na mag-update eh. Tsaka mag-hello sa inyo. But anyway, I am going to end the vlog na. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today with my busy, crazy day. But then again, sinasabi ko naman sa sarili ko, it's just for this week and then it's gonna go back to my normal routine. But yeah, again, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you again on my next vlog. Till then, take care and always keep safe, guys. Bye for now.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night